y is equal to 3 tangent 2x plus tangent cube 2x. So, derive natin yan, boy, ganito yan. So, y prime now is equal to, since constant si 3, copy lang natin, derive natin si tan 2x. So, ang derivative ng tan is secant square u du over dx. So, secant square, copy lang natin si u, 2x, derivative ng u, which is 2. So, plus, gagamit tayo dito ng exponential dol, magiging 3 tangent square 2x multiplied by the derivative of tangent square, tangent 2x. So, derivative ng tangent 2x is equal to secant square 2x. Ang derivative naman ng 2x ng u or 2x is equal to 2. So, simplify lang natin. 2 times 3 magiging 6. Copy lang natin si secant square 2x. So, 6 secant square 2x plus 2 times 3 which is 6. Tapos, multiply lang natin. Magiging tangent square 2x secant square 2x. So, since may similarity sila, which is 6 secant square 2x, pwede natin sila ilabas. So, pag finactor out natin sila, magiging, itong term na to, magiging 1. Tapos, itong term naman na to, matitira na lang dito is tangent square 2x. So, Pythagorean identity to, 1 plus tangent square 2x is equal to secant square 2x. So, ito, papalitan na lang natin siya ng secant square 2x. So, 6 secant square 2x multiplied by secant square 2x. Magiging final answer natin is 6 secant raised to 4 2x.